If you mess up your eBay appeal, you're done. Locked out, no warning, no second chances, just done. For good. Just like that. Most people think they can just email eBay and beg for their account back. I'm gonna let you know this right now. If you send the wrong appeal, you just told eBay why to keep you banned. eBay isn't emotional. It is policy based. See, what they do is they scan your email and see if you're worth being reinstated. Here's what most resellers do that gets them permanently shut out. Number one, they admit fault. They tell eBay that they are wrong for what they did and literally let them know they did not comply. Number two, they sound desperate, and it makes it seem as if you need the platform more than the platform needs you, and obviously that's not going to get you unbanned. Number three is my favorite. They don't reference policy. So you mean to tell me you did something wrong, eBay told you you did something wrong, you don't even acknowledge the policy. And lastly, they send the same generic message that everyone sends. And that is an issue because, again, they're scanning that message, and that obviously is going to let eBay know not to reinstate you. See, the main thing is eBay isn't looking for an apology. They're looking for compliance. And if you don't know how to communicate like a reseller, they're just going to have you out. It's a way that you need to communicate and the type of verbiage needed to be used to actually get them to reinstate you and understand your point of view, and also make sure they understand you are fully committed to being compliant. So here's what worked for me and over 300 of the students I helped get back on eBay. I'm going to share with you guys some tips, top secret tips that I don't tell anybody, so feel special. Let's get into it. Number one, if you are creating this message yourself, then make sure you're using a professional tone. Not a desperate tone, but a professional tone, so that they understand that you're about your business and you can make it seem as if you are a legitimate seller. Number two, acknowledge the review process. Don't acknowledge your feelings. The review process, not your feelings. Your feelings don't matter in this because this is just business. Review the policy and exactly what you violated. Next, you need to make sure that you're showing that you understand the rule you broke, and now you understand moving forward how to follow that rule. Now, I'm not saying to beg and say, I'm so sorry, but to let them know that you know what you did wrong, and moving forward, I am going to do X, Y, and Z to make sure that this does not occur again. Last but not least, my favorite, and this is why I tell y'all, make sure you sell them small ticket products to get them reviews, because you want to make sure that you are highlighting customer satisfaction, all of the good that you do on the platform, because that is the most important part, because you want them to know that you are a valuable asset to this platform, because the platform doesn't need you. But if you are somebody adding to the platform, making their customers happy, why would they get rid of you? I put together a full eBay reinstatement manual that has helped me and my students get reinstated fast. If you've ever been banned, if you are banned, or if you're trying to get ahead of the curve, make sure you guys click the link below to get the eBay reinstatement manual. If you're doing this by yourself and you just want to use the tips that I gave you in this video, be very, very careful. You only get one chance. And also, guys, if you are trying to do this, make sure you are inspecting what you expect. Make sure to read your email. Be very careful. Mind your business as far as make sure that you are taking care of your listings and your business and looking at the details. And also, guys, make sure you're doing good business and get that customer feedback, because it will always pay off in the long run. If you guys want to work with me one-on-one, I do have a Hustlers Community. The link is below as well. And I help you guys with all of this one-on-one. You get classes, you get access to me directly, and you also are going to be working with me hand in hand to build your business. And most importantly, we give you products every single month, products that you choose. I give you money for you to go on my website and go ahead and get those products. Guys, I want to help and continue to build my business, but most importantly, help you guys grow and build yours. Make sure you guys make money work for you and don't work for the money. Peace.